What is home? How does one begin to describe or even define it? For home is a multitude of experiences. It is unique as one person is individual. It is where we set the stage for our life stories and where cherished memories are crafted. A place where our particular styles are revealed and communicated in a personally collected and curated environment, where we find warmth, security, and growth, where our milestones are witnessed, shared, and celebrated, where we find peace, a sense of belonging, and fostered dreams. And home is where we build those fostered dreams. Living in our greater home of America, built on such dreams, makes crafting our individual ones possible because, like the foundations of America, our designs are driven by individualism and inspired by dreams. LDD believes in supporting homegrown talent, finding artisans that take pride in their craft. And when we are surrounded by such innovation, style, and creativity, it should fill us with a sense of pride and make us excited to share our environment. Because home is a multitude of shared experiences. It is backyard barbecues with friends and family, where men set things on fire, baking cookies in a handcrafted kitchen, watching classic movies and noshing on popcorn on a sofa built in North Carolina, tucking your child in at night knowing you've surrounded them with the influences of yesteryear and the hopes of tomorrow. It is front porch sitting, sipping lemonade, a radio broadcast baseball game on a lazy summer day. Home is where you experience design that draws you in, fosters comfort, happiness, and lends a sense of belonging. This is your home. This is your dream. And when home and dreams come together as one, LDD has done exactly what we set out to do.